Hello foodies, welcome back to my channel. In this episode, watch another version of chai, the Indian tea called Masala Tea. It is flavored with a blend of spices. A few very simple ingredients: milk, water, tea powder, ginger pieces, tea masala or chai masala, 1.5 cup of water boil, add some grated ginger, two teaspoons of tea powder, and also add sugar to teaspoon, and just a little bit of chai masala or tea masala. Make sure the whole ginger water properly before we add the milk. The tea is bubbling, just reduce the flame. Just pour it hot in the serving glass or cup. Enjoy your goodness. And don't forget to subscribe. Take care.